Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about referencing files and directories inside of AMP, whether it's the CLI or the VS Code extension. Let's show you what's up. So let's start with the CLI. We're going to do a directory. So we're going to mention @test, and we can say, and while that's doing that, we can go to the extension and say summarize at agents.md. So while that's doing that, we can go back to the CLI and we can see that there is a summary of what is happening inside of the test directory. And here we can go to the extension and we can see that there is a summary of agents.md. So that's how you do it. That's how you get context from directories or files within AMP. AMP CLI or AMP for VS Code. Either way, it's up to you. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.